Welcome to the Ramayana Caves. These caves were once shelters for the indigenous Temuan people, a tribe of Arangasli, who made this their home. In the 1860s, Chinese settlers began excavating guano from the caves, using it as a rich fertilizer, intertwining their history with the cave's legacy. The Ramayana Caves are karst limestone formation, over 400 million years old, featuring a complex system of 20 recognized caves. The caves are adorned with stunning speleothems, stalactites jutting from the ceiling and stalagmites rising from the floor, formed by water interacting with limestone over millennia. These natural wonders include cave curtains, floor stones, cave pearls, and scallops, showcasing nature's artistry. Experience the Ramayana Caves, where the echoes of history and the marvels of geology come to life. Visit the Ramayana Caves in Malaysia and witness this awe-inspiring fusion of past and present.
Discover the hidden wonders of the Sri Ramayana Caves, a haven for biodiversity. Once home to 269 species of vascular plants, including 65 unique calciphytes. Meet the endemic trapdoor spider, Liphistias batuensis, and 21 species of bats, including fruit bats. The caves buzzed with life: insects, spiders, mites, beetles, frogs, lizards, snakes, and snails. Long-tailed macaques were common sights in this vibrant ecosystem. Over time, industrial activity and high foot traffic threatened this delicate balance. The Sri Ramayana Caves Management System, SRCMS, stepped in to protect this natural wonder. They've adapted the caves for visitors and educational purposes, ensuring its preservation. Together, let's preserve the Sri Ramayana Caves for future generations. Join us in protecting this precious ecosystem. Discover the mystical Sri Kailash Cave, home to a natural wonder that's mesmerizing the world. Deep inside this ancient cave, limestone water has slowly created a unique stalagmite formation over centuries. What's truly amazing is that the stalagmite naturally forms the shape of Lord Ganesha, the beloved Hindu deity and son of Lord Shiva. Each day, the formation becomes clearer and more defined, captivating visitors and devotees alike. For many, this is a divine miracle, a testament to the sacredness of nature and faith. Come witness this natural marvel yourself at the Sri Kailash Cave and be part of this incredible spiritual journey. Journey into the mysterious depths of Sri Kashi Cave, a hidden gem of nature's wonders. Deep within the cave lies its most prized possession, the magnificent Swambhu Lingam. This incredible formation, known as the Swambhu Lingam, stands 25 meters above the ground, towering at an astonishing 12 feet tall. The Swambhu Lingam is not just a static wonder, it's still growing, a testament to the living, breathing power of nature. This self-formed stalagmite takes the shape of a Shiva Ling, revered as a Swambhu Lingam, a naturally occurring symbol of Lord Shiva. As per surveys, this Swambhu Lingam is the second tallest natural lingam in the world, making it a site of immense spiritual and geological significance. Discover the awe-inspiring Sri Kashi Cave and witness this marvel of nature with your own eyes.
Cultural significance. The cave has been a site of worship and reverence for centuries, drawing pilgrims and tourists alike who come to witness its awe-inspiring beauty and soak in the spiritual energy that permeates the space. A natural wonder, the cave is a living testament to the power of nature and the passage of time, with formations that continue to evolve even today. Marvel at nature's artistry. As you explore the cave, you'll be captivated by the intricate patterns and formations created over millennia. The air is cool and fresh, echoing the whispers of the ages. Plan your visit, whether you are seeking a spiritual experience or simply looking to marvel at one of nature's masterpieces. Kashi Cave is a destination that promises to leave you in awe.